Hey, if you're new to the channel, my name is Mario Rivers, and I teach people how to turn any hobby, any passion, or any idea in any niche into a digital marketing online education business. It could be teaching people how to cook, or teaching people how to dance, showing people how to paint portraits, teaching how to play an instrument, teaching how to do makeup. It can literally be anything you like to do. I've been in digital marketing for roughly around 9 years, and I have 4 published business books for entrepreneurs. I'm a retired naval engineer, podcaster, author, and founder of the online business startup university. Here's what you can expect to learn on this channel. I teach digital marketing, creating digital assets like workbooks, ebooks, how to create lead magnets, marketing strategies, online sales strategies, how to get more leads, how to get more sales, marketing funnels, and so much more. Now, as an online business owner and digital marketer, you will need to learn what tech to use or which platforms to use in your online business, which email service provider to use and how to set up email marketing, how to create lead magnets that will attract your audience, how to create email opt-ins to build an audience of people who really need what you teach to help them get further in their entrepreneurial journey. Sometimes it can be overwhelming, especially with all the information online. If you don't have a plan, it can be a lot to take in. And to get you started, I've written a book that's going to help you get started with step-by-step plan so you can turn your passions into profits too. You can get your hands on that book using the link in the description, and you'll be glad that you did. I teach a simple framework called the BYOE Pathway to Profits Framework, and that's going to help you get started inside the book. And I have a video, it's about 4 or 5 minutes long, that teaches this framework to you, and you'll learn how easy it is to come up with ideas in your niche and what to do as a next step. Everything I teach starts with this framework, and this framework goes right along with the book. So watch that video next and then go down in the description and get that book. And last, subscribe to the channel to get all the marketing tips, all the sales tips, all the lead tips that I've learned over the last 9 years in digital marketing so that I can help you build your business the right way. Welcome to Online Business Simplified.